go. Oh, are we gonna be a good friendly motorcycle rider? Hi car driver. A little bit dangerous, so make sure you're not gonna crash. Is the cap even in there? Cap even there? Yoink. She's like, what are you doing? I love having some good ones. Thank you, Motostars, for that. Uh-oh, sharp corner chevrons. Are we gonna low side? Nope. We panicked a little bit, but he didn't mess up. He applied the brakes. So in an emergency in a turn, you're like, oh crap, you straighten it up and you apply for good progressive brake pressure. That was really good. So Larry Kumler, what's going on here? Deer, animals, big wide open area, trees. Nope, it's just an idiot in a van, almost killing other motorcyclists. Whoa, very, very lucky. All right, the music here is interesting. Oh, left turner. Oh, so pedestrians, remember, you have more weight on the bike, so progressive brake pressure, swerving, acceleration has to be smoother, and it takes a little bit longer. So be very wary about that. Oh, so he was doing fine until he wasn't making it, and then he lost traction because he squeezed a little bit too hard. There is an escape path we could have taken. That person stopped, so remember, you could brake, release the brakes, and then go ahead and swerve and get yourself out of there if you don't have enough total stopping distance. Okay, total stopping distance, everybody. Where's the button for that? There we go. If you don't have enough total stopping distance, you can actually swerve out of the way if you need to. Spot always sucks for double yellow violators. Okay, okay. So uncommon thing in a common situation. Okay, he handled it fine, not a big deal. These types of things should not ruin your ride. Your mental state is very important when you're riding. Who here has taken that lecture on the NTC Rider Academy? Okay, so right here, the person kind of came out because our lane was open. We were getting into the blind spot, inattentional blindness.
Use your eyes.
Their brain, they've used their eyes. Their brain is not letting them see us. Okay, we're not a hazard to car drivers in their brain. So uncommon thing, got some headlights coming. Looks like they got into an accident and had to pull over. It just so happens that we were there too. You see that dent right there? That's my guess, is there was an accident.
You're in the middle of a pedestrian crossing.
Everyone's gonna be yelling at him. What are you doing? So they got the hazard lights. Emergency. So they brown staged after a crash or after a collision. Like, what do I do? And they just brown stage. Pull over, pull over. That's what that looks like. All right, so we can't see anything. Sun's at our backs. So that means sun's in the eyes of the car drivers up ahead. So if anybody's turning left or right in front of us, they can't see us very well. And there it is, okay? Very bright. Very bright. Couldn't see us. But instead of slowing down, oops, wrong button. Instead of slowing down, this motorcycle rider decided to just go ahead and swerve. Now you can slow down and then swerve if you want to. It's up to you, but here's the thing. We're swerving around on a double yellow, so there could have been people coming, you don't know, just because we didn't want to slow down. Make sure you slow down.